What's up, guys? We back with the Xmaxx. We're gonna try to finish the TV up. This is the part 2 of it. Hope we can finish it all the way today. So what we're gonna do? I know if I run my my Xmaxx straight to the TV, I will get a lot of views, but I don't want to do that. So what I'm gonna do is set the TV down, jump it a couple times, and we're gonna take care of the TV in a good way. I know you guys shot fireworks and stuff on 4th of July, New Year's. This is the artillery shells you buy for the little tubes. It says 75 of an inch size. Y'all know how loud this is. Was thinking about sticking one of these under the TV and blowing it up, but I decided to go a better way. I'm going with this. If y'all don't know what this is the same thing as that one. It's an artillery shell, but it's for like New York shows and stuff like that. This is a 3-inch, and we bought a couple of these for New Year's, and I still got some left, so let's use them in a good way. Why not? So I'm going to tell y'all right now before we start this video doing this, do not try this at home. Always be safe doing this, and make sure there are no kids around while you're doing this. If you got something like this, if you know what it is, these ain't quiet compared to that one. So hope you guys enjoy this video. What's up, guys? We got the TV set up on one of the little bicycle ramps. We're going to jump the TV a couple of times. Have fun with the truck before, have fun with the truck with the TV before the TV gets demolished. So, hope y'all enjoy the short play. See what this burns out or not. I know, guys, this ain't much, but y'all will see more. But I will do a lot more than this if y'all like and subscribe. Please smash that like button on this video. Get a lot of likes. If I get a lot of likes, that makes me want to make, more videos of the Xmaxx or doing something crazy, something like this. That was horrible. Now that was horrible. If you guys want to know, I have the 6S Xmaxx. I don't have the 8S. I would love to have the 8S. I've been trying to save my money up to buy the 8S upgrade kit, so I can't wait for that. I don't know if I can push it off the ramp. Or we can just do that, either one, it don't matter. I was going to pull the TV for you guys, like pull it around, but I could not figure no way tying something to it unless we put nails through the TV or something like that, then tying a rope to a nail. That's the only way I can figure out how to do it. Then I'm like, well, it'll be alright. I might be able to make another video like this again sometime in the future, so. Oh, we just bashed it. But yeah, guys, I'm going to stop the video right here, and I'm going to get everything set it up. Looks like the TV's got like a little dent in it right there where Traxxas hit it. It might not. It might this way it looks. But yeah, I'm going to get everything set up. Let's take care of this TV and please guys, if you like this right here, please smash that like button. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. It really don't matter to me. It's just a video. I love making videos. So if you like this, hit that like button and subscribe for more. And more likes I get, that's more it wants me, you know, to do crazy stuff. So let's get everything set up, guys, and let's get this on.
Okay, this is what we're using right here.
Alright guys, that was awesome. If you like this, please hit that like button for some more. Smash that like button. I want to try to get at least, I don't know, 500 likes on this video if I can. I know it's probably impossible for me, but still. If y'all like that video, give it a thumbs up. And please subscribe for more. Here's the aftermath. Oh, poor old TV. What's that? What the world? Whoa. Come in, guys. That's awesome.
Flip it over there.
See what the other side looks like. Oh yeah, we can get HBO now. Whoa. That's LEDs. If that's a LED TV, how did it break so easy when it failed? Let's see. I got a mess up to clean up now. Look at that crater. Oh my goodness. I could fit my fist almost in that crater. That was awesome. Yeah guys, I didn't blow my Xmaxx up. I can't do it. I got too much money in that thing, so. My nose is running. If you guys like that video, please hit that like button for some more. And we might do something crazy like this again. So, have a nice day, and always, God bless.